Hey, what's up everybody? It's Gwen and welcome back to my channel. In 2018, I learned that I have high porosity natural hair. After being 10 years natural and mastering my high porosity hair, I learned that these are the 5 most common challenges for high porosity hair. Let's get started. First is retaining moisture after wash day. High porosity hair's hair cuticle is naturally in the raised position. This makes retaining moisture difficult for high porosity hair. Second challenge is moisture overload. The raised hair cuticles of high porosity hair allow moisture to enter very easily. It's not able to control how much moisture ends up in the hair. Therefore, it can become easily moisturized and over moisturized, which leads to breakage. The third challenge for high porosity hair is breakage, especially if you have fine hair strands. Due to high porosity hair's sensitivity to moisture and it naturally being dry, high porosity hair is also prone to breakage. Fourth challenge for high porosity hair is frizz. As I mentioned, high porosity hair can get over moisturized and over moisturized hair is frizzy. High porosity hair is also sensitive to moisture, as I mentioned, such as humidity. Therefore, high porosity hair is very prone to frizz. And the fifth challenge for high porosity hair is constantly needing to be re-moisturized. So day to day, as you style your hair, moisture doesn't last in the hair very long for high porosity hair. With moisture easily leaving the hair, it is constantly needing to be re-moisturized. In the next video, we'll be talking about how I conquered these challenges and many more and how I mastered my high porosity hair. See you in the next video. Bye!